I'm Tom Ballard, the Groundwater Guy. In this video, we're focusing on routine maintenance, one of the most critical tasks for keeping small water systems running smoothly and efficiently. Consistent maintenance helps prevent costly repairs, extends the life of your equipment, and ensures reliable service for your customers. Let's go over some key maintenance tasks every small utility should be performing regularly. First, let's talk about pumps and motors. These are the heart of your water system. Regularly inspect pumps for unusual noise, vibration, or leaks. Clean or replace any filters, check for proper alignment, and lubricate bearings as specified by the manufacturer. Small issues like misalignment or clogged filters can lead to big problems if left unchecked. Next up are storage tanks. Tanks should be inspected routinely for signs of corrosion, sediment buildup, and leaks. Cleaning out sediment every 1 to 3 years, depending on your system's needs, helps maintain water quality and reduces wear on downstream equipment. Also check overflow vents and float valves to ensure they're clear of debris. Don't overlook your distribution lines and valves. Check for leaks, especially at joints and connections. Exercising valves periodically, opening and closing them fully, keeps them functional and helps prevent buildup. This can be especially important for smaller systems where valve failures can disrupt service to a significant portion of your customers. Finally, monitoring your system's pressure gauges and flow meters can provide early warnings of maintenance needs. Sudden changes in pressure can indicate a leak, blockage, or pump issue. Consistently reviewing these indicators as part of your routine maintenance helps you catch issues before they become emergency. Routine maintenance doesn't have to be complicated, but it's essential for keeping your small water system reliable and efficient. Follow a simple checklist, inspecting pumps, tanks, lines, and gauges, and you'll be well on your way to preventing downtime and extending the life of your system. For more guidance and resources, visit sehydrogeology.com. Thanks for watching and see you next time.